So we had 4 elevators in the hotel. The parking garage has 8. What the hell? And watch, I'm still gonna get a ride with 30 people on it. Hello. Hello.
I got 3.
Yeah? Do you share with Mason?
No, I don't want.
Huh. Communicator gets ahead of itself. Wow, this is a fancy garage. God damn. Fancy. This is at some casino in Niagara Falls. I forget which one. The Fallsview Casino? Hell if I know. Oh, please don't stop. These are really nice cabs as well. Anyway, that is going to be it. Why is this music absolutely blasting? Holy shit. That's